Yo, what's good, broskis? This is the CJ Prodigy trading team. I got my t-shirt, XAUUSD, and we are starting, and I'm just showing you the best trading week that I ever had for my 2.5 years trading journey. For that 2.5 years, this is the best week that I ever had. So let me show you real quick. So here is like a few positions, and let me show you, let me explain you one by one every of them. So it was Monday, and it was Monday. We got the nice situation on the DAX 40. Let me show you real quick what looks like the situation on the higher time frame. So I marked for myself the mid-higher time frame structure. So we got the mid-higher time frame structure. I see how it works. It works in the instrument with the order flow that is building the liquidity, then taken, building the liquidity, then taken, and creating the new low, building the liquidity, taking that, and creating the new low. It is the same situation. Okay, and also I need to synchronize the mid-higher time frame structure with the higher time frame structure. If I could mark for myself the structure on the higher time frame, it would be like this, pam, 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 and this could be our high. And where could probably our low? Right here. Why? Because I see the amplitude of the movement. I see how deep we got the retracement. And because of that previous information, I could also use that information for the scenario that we have on the present. All right. And also we have the really nice order flow on the mid-high time frame. Pam, pam, pam. Okay, so what I see, I found for myself the really nice target. Not the next low, this low. Because here is also, we have the liquidity, bam. We have the diapason from where price could start our long movement, and this would be my the main target for this retracement, because from this point I would like maybe to see some longs. If the price will show me some volumes, I would try to catch some longs even to the this high, and maybe even to the all-time high. So that's, I think, very simple. All right, what I see how the structure moving. Where the structure moving? In shorts. In if I open and zoom in like this. All right, perfect. If I open the start of the week, we got the Monday. Monday is right here, and what I see at first, how the structure going, like the real usual structure with the retracement. Okay. And I'm asking myself where the price is located right now. It was the Monday. If we look like this, where the price is located right now. Do I want to go and work in shorts? Yes, I have my narrative, but I don't want, because this is too low. This is too low if I'm understanding how the structure looks like, and I don't want to take the positions on the lows. I know that we have the target, and I could open the position something like this, bam, bam, bam. For example, stop loss on this high and target on this low, because I have this in my head. But I see how many points price came without the retracement. Bam, 2.7%. All right, how many is here? 2.76. How many is here? 2%. How many is here? 1.1. And I understand that the price actually is moving faster in the short direction, and this diapason and this amplitude is becoming bigger, because on the last side we have 3%. That's showing me that price has the momentum and accelerating. But okay, I understand that I don't want to take the shorts right here. And what more of it? We have the taken previous weekly low, bam, previous daily high, bam. I see how the price working with the Tokyo low. We have the opening of the Tokyo session. Then we creating the low. Then price exactly on the timing of Frankfurt. That's 1 hour before the London. We taking the low of the Frankfurt. And then I see inversion of the first treble area. I see that inversion. I'm waiting for the retracement. Put my stop loss right here. And my take profit must be also on the first, on the FTA, first trouble areas. What does it mean FTA? That's the area that could, from where we could get the reaction, right? And this is the Tokyo high first one, and this pool of liquidity of the Friday right here. And I'm taking the position, put my stop loss on the London low. Yes, somewhere in that range, because if the price would go here, we would have the invalidation. And what do we got? We got our take profit on the 2RR. Yes, perfect. The next position, as you already know the situation, how the price is going in this exactly structure. We going like this, building the liquidity, taking the liquidity, going lower. A retracement, building the liquidity, going higher, taking the liquidity, and creating the new low. Bam, bam. And I have this in my head, broski. I have this in my head. So on the next day, we got the retracement. Like in the same day, we got the small retracement. I see the opening of the Frankfurt session, the London session. If I open the 3-minute, I see that, all right, this is actually aligns with my structure, with my full structure and my full idea. And what we got? We got taking some liquidity of the Tokyo, and we took the high, we took some internal liquidity, and actually this is not the explanation. We took some liquidity, blah blah blah. We got the idea to work to this high, to the previous daily high, because in that moment that was previous daily high. And then I see just the situation from where price could actually deliver the price to this point. What we got the taking some pull, and then we got the really nice reaction. We got the aggressive drop and aggressive movement in the opposite direction. That shows me that we have the volume, and I'm entering the position. I only took right here the challenge because I wasn't so confident in this position. I only took the one position on one account. That would be enough, okay? But I actually took it. Bam, going to the high, easy. And then I'm full porting my all accounts to the main structural move that aligns with the mid higher time frame points. Right here, pam, 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 pam. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is possible 1 point, and this is possible another point. Okay, I got this in my head, and I'm entering the first position. It was a little bit rash entry, not like rash, but I could do it a little bit better. Okay, you always and constant need to asking yourself what you could do better. And actually, I'm just entering the first position. When I see I put my stop loss on this high, the full invalidation must be right here in this moment. But I think I'm looking how the price is working and don't see that the price is going with this big retracement. And I'm just going on the risk and just putting my stop loss right here. And then on the small retracement on the London, I enter in the position. Then, okay, let me actually delete this alert because I don't need it anymore. Then I'm adding the position when I see the like double confirmation. It's like, see the market is actually going in my favor. This is opening the first position in that direction. This is the second. And to be a little bit faster, I'm entering the last position right here. Right, perfect. Perfect. Also, let me show you the logic of the last position. I see the narrative. So the narrative, of course, is short. target is obvious. You just need to hold this shit. And what I do, I see the order flow. That means partial grabbing the liquidity, grabbing the liquidity, and then continue aligning with the structure, with the context, with everything. I see that the price working partly with the Tokyo liquidity. And also here is the Frankfurt liquidity. London works with the Frankfurt liquidity. Tokyo works with itself liquidity. And then on the lower time frame, I see some confirmations, put my stop loss right here. I don't have the risk, too much risk right here, but I'm just want to catch as much as I can from the position and from the idea. And the idea actually really good. Okay, and I managing the position that put in my stop loss on the break even after the creating new high. Oh, sorry, new low. This after price hitting the Tokyo low. Could I imagine scenario like this? Bam, 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 bam. Possibly could, but and because of that, I put my stop loss on break even right here on this position. And here is the result. Also, what I could do better. One of these two positions I closed right here because it was end of the day and I wanted to have one profitable day on my 50K account. I need to, for payout, I need one profitable day. I only had like in that moment one. So I closed that position. Okay, but I could actually hold it. So, and I little bit wanted to secure my profits. It was like my small weakness, but I'm absolutely transparent with you and showing how it is really looks like. So this was one idea, second idea, and the third idea on the DAX 40. This is the only positions for the DAX. Let me open one position on the gold because I also took the gold, as I said, reviewing the all week. Okay, let me actually clear this. Bam, bam, bam. What we see on the gold, real quick, we got the short structure. All right, you could see it. Bam, 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 bam. And exactly in this point where I was taking the position, the price was too low for shorts, and I wanted to work in some rebalance, some retracement. And actually, I took the position. I see that we're taking the low, previous weekly low, previous daily low. We took some Asia low, working with some London. London works with itself. Then with some ranging. We are respecting the new volume that came into the market. Then we're working with the previous PM session New York low. Then I see how price exactly on opening the Shanghai exchange. That's the gold exchange. I see the volume and I want to work in some rebalance, as I said. Of course, targets must be first treble areas. This is the first treble area. This is the previous weekly high. And this is the pool that I wanted to price to take. But what I see, we taking this high, perfect. But then I see aggression, changes on other aggression exactly on London. And I don't want to enter into positions in London or just holding through London because I would hold through London if the price would range in right here. If it would range right here, I would hold, but the price actually came to my entry point. My entry point was here, so this is the entry point of the level price, and I don't want to hold it right here, bro. Why I need to hold it if I know that London is actually snitch? London is actually a bad session for the gold. And I managed just to close that position. I really glad and I'm proud that I closed that position in break-even because I read the market. I adapt to market conditions. And I closed into break-even, right? So everybody in the internet could show you a lot of these positions with doing something like this and explain you very great how they took positions. You need the proofs. All right, let me show you the proof. This is the first proof. Bam. I'm just showing the screenshots of the MetaTrader, or this is the real nice screenshot. Look at this, beautiful. This is the first position on the DAX. First, second, and here is the last position. It was opened on the challenge, so right here I closed the first phase, and here is the second. Bam, bam, bam. Yes, and here is the second screenshot on other account. On that 50K, broski, that I was passing for 3 months. It was ups and downs. That called Road to Profitability. It starts from the February 2026. You could find it on my channel. This is my series of video where I was showing you every single week what I got on that account. And actually, 2 weeks ago, I passed it. And on the second week, I made 9.7%. I will show you in 1 second. And look at this. The first position, the second position on the fund that I was skipping, and here is the adding the positions. Bam, bam, bam. Also, I closed on position right here, as I said. Other position closed right here. And the last position that I took right here closed on the main target. So this was my managing the positions, as I said. Okay. The next proofs. Let's go to the next proofs. What we got? This is, as I said, my funded account. My 5 years. This is the usual props, not the future props, usual Forex props. I will also investigate in a few months I will investigate the future prop firms such as Apex, My Funded Futures, and others. So as you see, we got 4.7K. Don't watch the profits. I don't want to flex it. I just want to show you that this is not bullshit, right? We got the, how much? Like 9.7, 9.5, somewhere 9%, almost 10% right here. And also we got the past first phase on the account on the funding peeps 100K, and the 10K also goes to the take profit with the almost 9% of the profit. So, broski, this was my video and show that this is possible. And you know what is interesting moment? Right now is only the fucking Wednesday. Only the fucking Wednesday. And I'm saying that this is the best trading week that I ever had in my entire life, because I managed really good the break even. I got some idea, but then I adapted into the market. And then I took the beautiful a few trades on the DAX 40, and I tried to increase the profit by adding the position, and that everything almost was perfect. Not the everything. That I little bit closed partially the position on that dot thread that I showed you. That I could prepare a little bit better for this. Always you need to ask you what you could do better. So this is only execution for 3 days. Really good week. Not about the profits, because I had even the bigger profits. It is the feeling of the confidence and feeling of the how I'm working with the charts and how I'm reading them. Broski, this was CJ. Okay. Bro, I forget to show you. Every single position that I took, I was showing on the Telegram channel. Look at this. You see that? Let me open. This was my scenario. You see the scenario? Here is like nothing. The position 1, the position 2, the position 3 is already taken. And yes, and it's completely like open, free. Yo. The link in the description on that Telegram channel. And thank you for watching. That was CJ Prodigy Trading Team. Become better, be the best version of yourself, and you will succeed in every field of your life. And in trading, as you're watching this, of course. So, Godspeed. Pow!